shall now come to the reading of relief and designation orders. May we request Police Director Catalino S. Cuy, the Director for Personnel and Records Management, to read the relief and designation orders.
National Headquarters, Philippine National Police, termination of designation. Pursuant to General Orders number 2127, paragraph 2, National Headquarters, Philippine National Police, dated December 24, 2012. Designation of Police Chief Superintendent Napoleon Romero Estilles, O-01024 as Regional Director, Police Regional Office 9, is terminated effective December 26, 2012. Pursuant to General Orders number 2122, paragraph 3, National Headquarters, Philippine National Police, dated December 24, 2012, designation of Police Chief Superintendent Juanito Bungay Banyo Jr., O-00800, as Deputy Regional Director for Operations, National Capital Region, Police Office is terminated effective December 26, 2012. Designation. Pursuant to General Orders number 2126, paragraph 3, National Headquarters, Philippine National Police, dated December 24, 2012, Police Chief Superintendent Juanito Bungay Banyo Jr., O-00800, is designated as Acting Regional Director, Police Regional Office 9, effective December 26, 2012, by command of Police Director General Purisima. Official, Agent Poblador Ontog, Police Director, the Acting Chief of Regional of Directorial Staff. Catalino S. Cuy, Police Director, Director for Personnel and Records Management.